Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Audi A6. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Audi has less than 126,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.